What is up, you guys? My name is CJ. This is my second video up on the YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys. I think we're at like 700 views. I didn't expect it to blow up like that. For me, that's a lot of views. But thank you guys. So right now, we are at KNG Motorsports. It's my boy Luis. They are dialing in something. I don't know what they're dialing in. So this is my brother's GT3 here. That's my brother right there, Sean. That's Luis right there. We are, he's on the BBS 88s with Toyo R888Rs all around. Right now, he is doing a full cup conversion on this car. I wouldn't really say full because to make a cup car is a lot that goes on, but exterior wise, it's gonna be almost a full cup car with the bumper, the flares, the hood, the wing, and then we're doing the RS side skirts because they look a little bit more beefier. Luis, what we got going on, bro?
So right now we're getting ready to drill the holes for the quick release pins. This is a cup hood, so they run the hood pins on the cup cars. Obviously, this is not a cup car, but we at least still want the pins on there. So up the hood from here again. So what we did is we transferred where the positioning of the pin is gonna be. So now we measured a few times. So the hole's gonna be roughly about there. Same thing goes for here. The pin is gonna go right here, and then we have the quick release mechanism. So this thing is gonna sit like
Oh,
this.
damn, that's crazy.
On top of the hood.
Yo, what? Damn. All right, I guess we just drilled some holes.
Dude, let's cut yours up.
What?
Let's do a semi-cup kit.
No, I'm good, brother. I want the big wing, though. I definitely want the big wing.
Oh, yeah, so the big thing. He got the risers for it.
The big wang. So we're doing the big wang. It's going to be sitting about yee tall and about yee wide. 70 inches wide and like 3 inches more taller.
CJ.
Oh, you got the risers?
The track form.
Those are fire.
See how dense they are?
Yeah.
So now they're gonna get milled. And then,
That goes to the wing, I'm guessing?
so this is how it goes right here. And then countersunk bolts. Bing, bing. Bada boom, bada bang. And then the deck goes on top. And let's see how clean it looks. No
Yeah.
hardware is exposed or nothing.
Yeah, that was good.
And nothing on this side either. So I would go.
Fire.
Not really. I don't know what we were signing up for. That thing looks like it's fucking massive.
What the How big of a hole do you need? I feel like I'm watching a surgeon right now. All right, there's no going back now. You know that, right?
Well, if there was a YouTube video regarding how to install this and all this stuff, you know, we probably would have been second guessing ourselves. Well, technically, Luis isn't second guessing themselves. It's mainly me who's second guessing.
Whoa, whoa. So, after drilling and drilling, I guess, pretty smooth fit. That's how it goes?
Yeah, tight fit. The cup front hood with the hood pins. Which hood pins are like 6 different pieces. Because you got the safety pin, you got the circle thing, you got all that, and you got the vents, the 991.2 front bumper.
Oh, you remember 991.2 cup bumper?
Yeah.
Bumper.
991.2 cup bumper. All the grills and inserts, the fog lights, the front lip. Then we got the cup fender, along with the cup fender liner, the front bumper support, and all this.
All right, Jesus, bro, relax, bro. We get it. It's a lot. There's a lot going on, brother.
I wonder what's he doing.
He's marking it.
Is that a black marker?
Yeah. All right, so now that we have the hole here, I went ahead and put this back on, so that way from underneath I can go ahead and mark and be at least, if not 100% accurate, at least be very close to where we need the hole. After that, we can adjust it. We're not going to start with a very big hole. We're going to start with a small one and go up from there. He says no as he goes to the cars to turn it on.
CJ, give us a couple revs, bro. Show us your GMG exhaust you got on here, brother. Come on, bro. Stop being a little sissy, bro.
Hot outside, man. It's hot.
Just do it, bro. No more stickers or what?
Huh?
No more sticker?
I'm putting it on.
All right, can we just hear it real quick?
Hold on, man. Relax, man. It's all right, bro.
All right.
Don't control them, man.
Oh, man.
Get out on the streets, man.
Get it done, baby.
Damn.
What's going on here, bro?
Putting a new sticker on.
Sorry if there's a lot of background noise, you guys. The full detail happening there. Luis is making all the noise over there. You good?
Yeah, did you notice one thing, though?
What?
Look at the art.
What happened?
I fucking was washing it and it ripped off.
No, take it off anyways.
What the hell?
Yeah.
You're a hater, dude. What the
Bro,
hell?
come on, bro. It's gotta.
You're a hater.
If that vinyl didn't come from Porsche Motorsport, bro, are you really doing it?
What? Yo, what the? I get it, bro. You got a cup spec car over there, but
No, it's not. It's nothing cup spec, bro. It's just literally putting on a very expensive body kit, bro.
exactly a cup spec body kit.
There's no thing called cup spec body
Okay,
kit.
but a cup kit
No,
called a cup kit.
I got bamboozled. Just kidding. Boys. CJ, Armando's there. And he brought what just got delivered at home. We want to give him a huge thanks to our new partners.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, everybody? This is Armando. Armando's one of our oldest friends, our compadres, our primos.
What?
Primo.
Primo?
What does primo mean?
Primo means cousin.
Show me your tattoo, Armando. Jeez. I kind of want to. When I get one, I'm gonna get one too.
Yeah. We just took off the vinyl off the back window, putting a new one on. For most of you guys that don't know, I own a clothing brand called City of Demons. But yeah, so you know, living a promotion for the company, put it on the car. You know what I mean? All right, we're back. So test fitting time. Everything fits good. The pin is there. We just test fitted the pin. Fits good. Apparently these little 3 holes are riveted on, so we can't rivet it on until the hood is wrapped. The car is going to be getting wrapped. The new color is in the trunk of our other car.
Hey, shirt plug, where do I get my shirts?
Cali Creamy, man. Cali Creamy, man.
All right.
But listen, we got the banner on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the banner is officially on. But we're talking about what are we talking about?
We want to give a huge shout out to our partner, TinyBot. TinyBot's been working with us for a while now, not only at our events, alongside promotions and marketing, but also supporting the bills. So, actually, that's it. They're not gonna see the color now. They should see it in the next video.
That's right. All right, so Luis and KNG, they are added on the hood. We have put the new sticker on the Porsche, and we're gonna continue on. We have a little surprise there in the red boxes back there, so we will keep you guys updated on that, on what's going on with that. It's a new color. Big shout out to TinyBot. like I said, I'm not a vlogger. I don't know anything about doing videos and stuff and vlogging, but I wanted to do something, you know, maybe show off the cars, do a little build process with you guys, so you guys are also entertained and educated on things that we also don't know about this car, and that way you guys can learn about it too. So on the next vlog or the next video, I guess you guys will see the vehicle getting wrapped, more of the cups parts getting put on the car, roll cage getting powder coated. So that you'll see in the next video. We're out. Love you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. Peace.
Why do you keep ending?
Luis.